Press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down the list of services and right-click on Print Spooler. You can then select either Stop or Restart option from the pop-up menu. Open the elevated command prompt or PowerShell. Run the following commands to stop or start the Print Spooler service. Net stop spooler. Net start spooler. Create a blank text file and rename the extension from .txt to .bat, then open it with Notepad and paste the following, at echo off. Net stop spooler. Net start spooler. Extension from .txt to .bat, then open it with Notepad. Press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type msconfig and hit Enter. When the System Configuration utility launches, select the Services tab. To disable Print Spooler service, uncheck the box next to Print Spooler, or check that box to enable Print Spooler service. Click Apply and then OK. Restart the system to apply the changes. Thank you for watching IT Support channel.